Cleaning and descaling your profile Opal dispenser. To keep your nugget ice tasting fresh and your ice maker performing properly, descaling and sanitizing is highly recommended. Descaling should be performed every 2 to 3 weeks, while sanitizing is recommended once per week. Start by dispensing your Opal of any existing ice. Then unplug the Opal. If the water filter is present, remove it. If the water filter is not present, remove the screen intake filter and rinse with water. Next, drain the Opal. Unhook the top of the drain hoses by pushing the red rectangular button on the end of the hose and then pull down to release the hose from the hooks. Then lay them down to drain in a sink or container that is below the level of the ice maker. Once the water stops flowing, reinsert the drain plugs. To descale, fill the unit with white vinegar or the Opal cleaning kit solution up to the max fill line. To sanitize, fill the unit to the max fill line with water and add 1 teaspoon of bleach. Plug in the Opal and hold the Clean button for 3 seconds to initiate the descaling or sanitizing process. Water will begin circulating, and the cleaning indicator will light up. After 3 minutes, the water will stop. The cleaning indicator light will turn off. If you're sanitizing, promptly drain the Opal once the cleaning indicator turns off. To continue descaling, run through the clean cycle up to 3 times. Then let Opal sit for 18 hours and soak before draining. Drain the Opal once again. To rinse, add fresh water to the reservoir and press Clean to initiate a second cleaning cycle. Repeat this step 2 more times, adding fresh water to the reservoir each time. To exit the cleaning mode at any time, press and hold Clean for 3 seconds. Replace the drain tubes on the back of the Opal. Fill the unit with fresh water and press the Power button to start making fresh ice. For other questions about the care and cleaning of the Opal, please refer to your manual.